Thank you. What else? Tommy's helping me put the groceries away. Oh, the same. Thank you. What else do you got? Ooh. Thank you, darling. You're such a good helper, Tommy. Thank you. Uh-oh. Did you slip? Thank you. Duke's toy was in your way. Oh, that's heavy. That's okay, though. Bring it here. Thank you, honey. Are you a good helper?
Yeah.
No? Yes, you are.